Welcome to a world of vibrant fun with the Intelliskills Animal Party Play Mat. This beautifully designed mat is more than just a play area. It's an invitation to a colorful celebration with your little one's favorite animals. As you unfold the mat, you'll notice the generous size. 6.5 by 4.5 feet of soft, cushioned comfort. Perfect for crawling, tummy time, or just rolling around with joy. The vibrant illustrations on both sides stimulate visual development and turn every play session into a learning adventure. Crafted from high-quality XPE foam, this mat features a waterproof surface, so cleanup is always quick and stress-free. And with its anti-skid bottom, your baby can explore safely without the mat slipping out of place. When it's time to tidy up, the mat folds effortlessly and stays compact, ready for the next indoor or outdoor playtime. Soft, safe, educational, and so much fun. This is more than a play mat. It's a playful companion for your baby's early milestones. Experience the joy of play with the Intelliskills Animal Party Play Mat.